Hello, this is Vince Hill from the Network Applications and Security team here at Keysight, and welcome to this demonstration on how to replicate raw traffic from virtual machines in Azure, forwarding to FireEye network security. So let me start by showing you the CloudLens console, and then I'll show you how to set the forwarding policy. So let me first drop into the CloudLens SaaS portal. You can see the instance groups and sources here on the left-hand side, connecting over to the monitoring tool groups on the right-hand side. The system currently has policies set to forward traffic from a Red Hat instance and a Windows instance to the FireEye, and I currently have a policy set from my Linux over to tools. So let me go ahead and replicate the traffic from my Linux over to the FireEye tool, and by just dragging and dropping that link. And so now I'm replicating the traffic from the Linux instance to both FireEye and over to the Wireshark tool. So let me bring up the window for the tools with Wireshark on it, which is here. Let me bring up the window for FireEye, which is just showing traffic right now. We'll switch to the alerts panel in a second. So I've just brought up the window for the threat simulator to run a test. You can see I've pre-created a malware test on port 443. And before I actually hit the run, I'm just going to show you that I've added a filtering rule on the packets that go to the tool out of here, so that we can just see that test traffic come through, and then we'll go ahead and check the alerts in the FireEye tool. So let me go ahead and hit the run. We can very quickly see traffic coming through, being replicated to the Wireshark tool. So you can see here the dark net IP address there of the 3.21, and you can see that it's going to that 10.0.0.8, which is my Linux interface. So let's go ahead and take a look at the alerts. So on the FireEye Network Security Alerts tab, we can see details of the malware attack. We can see the victim IP address, the 10.00.8. We can see the source of the attack, the darknet IP address, the 3.21 network, and we can also see the port number that we set up, which was the 443. And then over here on the right hand side, we can see the object and the malware.zip file that was identified. So that's a quick demonstration on how to forward traffic out of your Azure environments to a security tool. Thanks for watching.